We're out here rocking. It's Ashley's birthday.
My boyfriend just bought me a motorcycle.
Got her motorcycle. We're gonna do some photos out here. It's gonna be sick. And then Neil's driving by on this little guy. Oh God.
As you see, I'm riding my Harley. It's got 1,000 cc's, and it's not street legal, but it's very fast. It goes about 15 miles an hour.
It's party time. So her costume's amazing. Look at this. And we're about to take you through the whole house before the party starts to show you what we got.
Woo! All right.
Let's go. MTV crib style, right?
Hell yes. All right. So first, we have your liquor pouring station, which is liquor bottles are MIA, but they're on the way. We got our tattoo parlor set up right here with our
neck tats for days.
Ready
for the reveal? Wait, no, it's not ready for the reveal. It's not ready. Come back to us. I'll let you know when we're ready.
Of course, gotta have beer pong.
Yep. Then we got the taco bar set up with Taco Bell tacos. And no 80s party is complete without your king. Heck yes. And last but not least, Guitar Hero to rock out with.
That new? What's that? Does he look like Alice Cooper, yay or nay? Jello shot. I love Jello shot. I gotta do a little bit. These are my parents.
Happy birthday! These people came to party with me.
I think this is the end of the night, folks. Oh, God. is the end of the video. We made it all the way. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this 80s rock theme party. I got my boy Dylan here with the Infinity Gauntlet. Peace! Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. Hey, I wanna rock and roll all night. Everybody every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. Everybody